Hi guys, in today's tutorial I'm going to be showing you how you can dropship from Temu to Shopify. This is going to be a step-by-step tutorial. Now first thing you need to do guys is you want to just log in into your Shopify store, and then what you guys need to do, you want to download an app that will help you import products from Temu to Shopify. That's the first step. Now what you guys need to do, you want to open your Shopify store and click on settings at the very bottom left, and then you want to click on apps and sales channels, and then you want to click on Shopify App Store in the top right. Now you want to download this app. It's called Importify. Okay, so that's the first step guys, is you want to download this app. It's called, like I said, Importify. This is the logo of the app, by the way. Just click on Importify Easy Dropshipping, and you want to click on install. Now next thing you need to do guys is you want to just confirm installation. Just click again on install, and it's going to take you guys to this page. Now what you guys need to do is you want to open a new browser and search for Importify extension. Okay, so this Chrome extension will help you import products easily from Temu to Shopify. Now you want to download the extension, click on add to Chrome and click on add extension. Okay, now after that you want to pin the extension in the top. Just click on the extensions icon in the top right and click on this pin icon here. Now after that you want to go back to the Importify here, to the Importify website. Now you will ask you guys to pick one of their plans. Now the one I like to use is the basic plan, which is $14 per month. Just click here on select. By the way, if you don't like the subscription, if you don't like the website, you can always delete the app from your Shopify store, but keep in mind that after you try this, you have to delete the app before 1 day. As you can see, you only have 1 day free trial. Now to delete the app, you just need to click on settings, click on apps and sales channels. You will find the app there, click on uninstall, and then that's it. Now after you download the app, like I said, just click here on settings at the very bottom left, click on apps and sales channels, and this is the app. As you can see, click on it. It's called Importify. Click on open app. Okay, so like I said, you want to pick one of these plans. As you can see, I'm going to go with the basic plan here. Now after guys you pick one of the plans here, you want to click on approve. Okay, so after guys you click on approve, what you guys need to do next is as you can see, we already did that here. Now you want to go to Temu and find a product that you want to dropship on Shopify. Now in my case, I would like to dropship this product, as you can see here. Now to import this product to your own Shopify store, as you can see, fastest delivery 5 business days. What I like about Temu is the offer. Now they have stock in United States, so if you are dropshipping in United States, this is going to be a fast delivery to your customers. As you can see, fastest delivery 5 days here, because the stock is in United States. Now you can check here, you can also check find other products here. Most of the products I have found on Temu are from China, but that does not mean you cannot find products that are in United States. Okay, the stock is located in United States. There are a lot of products like that, including this one that we are going to import to our Shopify store right now. Now you just need to click here. After you are on the product page, you want to click on the extension in the top. After that you want to click on import now. Okay, so after guys you click on import now, it's going to take you guys directly to this page. Now you just need to change the title, make it better, because you are publishing this to your Shopify store. So make sure you try to make the title a little bit smaller and more it looks really professional. Okay, so as you can see here guys, it says description. You can also click here description and make changes to description, or just leave it as it is. Here it says variants. You just need to here import all variants automatically. Here you want to click on images and make sure you select all images. After that you want to click on add to your store. Now as you can see, this product is getting is going to be imported to your own Shopify store. Now I'm going to go back to my own Shopify store right now, and I'm going to show you guys this exact product has been imported to my own Shopify store. Now I'm going to check it right now. I'm going to click here on products, as you can see here, and I'm going to click on the product. This is the product that we have imported from Temu, as you can see here. Okay, so that's exactly how you can do this guys. This is the price of the product. Of course you can change the price as you want. Just go to your Shopify and then click on the title, and then you will be able to apply with the price, with the description. You can also add different variants if you want to do that. Here I'm going to charge more. Here I'm going to charge $20. Now what you guys need to do is you want to start promoting the product. I always go with TikTok organic free traffic, so you can just find videos of the product on Alibaba, for example, and start promoting the product on TikTok so that you can get some traffic to your Shopify store. Now, if you have any questions, let me know in the comments. I reply to every single comment. If there is anything you don't understand, just let me know in the comments. I reply to every single comment. That's exactly, guys, how you can import products from Temu to your own Shopify store. Drop a like, that would be highly appreciated, and see you guys next video.